Good day, dear friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. I know today is another beautiful day here in sunny Florida, the Sunshine State, where the bugs are behaving and the grass is green. Now, today I was out there knocking on doors, walking from house to house. Now, I was not selling Amway. Or what? Kirby is the doorknob. I was talking real estate. And being since it's the weekend, what you'll find within your travels is so much goodies permeating from the kitchen once those doors are open. Barbecue in the backyard, some baking, somebody's cooking their favorite. I couldn't help myself but coming back home and do the same thing myself. So you may notice in my pre-intro of all the ingredient that I've put forth. I'm baking banana bread, but it's banana, carrot, and coconut. And in my definition, I will call it Waka Waka as original, because it's just a whole bunch of stuff I'm just throwing in there. Most important thing, I'll make sure it doesn't stay flat. So you notice I passed through almond flour, wheat flour, a little bit of all-purpose flour just to give it texture. It's going to be loaded with walnuts, and all that I use, it's a combination of a smart balanced oil. Look at the ingredient, and there's not much unhealthy product in here. So I figure I go with it. I'm gonna blend it with a little bit of olive oil as well, so I get a little bit of half and half. And so my sweetener, you notice, I'm using a monk fruit sweetener, and also Truvia. And that is to kind of give me a little bit of ease when I begin to dig into it. I won't feel guilty of eating it. Besides, I'm sharing my neighbor as well. So my friends, thanks for coming along with me. In a little bit, I will be baking.
Someone else. Oh yeah, will your soul ever be ready? When you try to be someone else. If you jump the train, be sure to know.
So my friends, now I will liquefy my coconut, and should use some water, but I'm not going to do that. Like I said, it's Waka Waka. So I'm going to go for a little bit of oat milk. Just to get it liquefied. Let's put a little bit more in there. And I let the ninja do the talking. Now the bananas were supposed to be crushed, that since I have room in this blender, why waste my precious time and crush them? Why don't I just blend them? All right. Heck, while I'm at it, why don't I put the eggs in? It's what I call working efficiently. And by the same token, I will add, let's see, for my wet ingredient, which is the oil, I will add the oil. Just blend everything together. I will add my vanilla. That part is done. Now I should actually grate the carrot, which would give it a little bit of texture, but I trust the nuts will do the job. Okay, let's turn this oven on. Okay, let's 350 is my baking temperature. I will now add my dry ingredients. Combination of almond flour, wheat flour, and a little bit of all-purpose flour and flaxseed. I'm adding my monk. Let's get the camera a little bit better here. That was the monk fruit sweetener. This is the Truvia brown, so 0 calories, and about 5 grams of, let's take a look here, be a true color, 0 gram of sugar. So here I'll have the sweet without the guilt. I'm adding my cinnamon. It's been wet. I'm adding salt. Asin. I'm adding the baking powder. Baking soda. And I will store in all my dry ingredients. Now I will combine both wet and dry. Let's do this. Do not want to make a mess, so this way. So slowly I will combine wet and dry. A couple days back, I was at Lowe's picking up some plants, flowers, and the horticulturist was assisting, and then she brought up the word headspace, and bingo. I've adopted plant is good for headspace, and so is cooking, or baking for that matter. And so this is my headspace moment. It wasn't so long ago But at this time of the year, I will be preparing for a large annual event, which gives so much rush. That was pre-cocoa. Now, finding things to take care of the headspace is golden. And so, here I am. The stiffness of the batter should be is perfect. Shouldn't be too dense. It'll be moist enough for an enjoyable cup of coffee. Now, I'm gonna blend the nuts, actually chop them a little bit, and work them in. So my friends, I've got a generous portion of nuts going in. It's walnuts. When it comes to nuts, I go nuts. Get my fill of omega-3. At my age, if you wonder why there's no wrinkle. Secret ingredient. I consume as much salmon as you can imagine. And so, followed by nuts. Here we go. So this is ready to go. I'm gonna grease my pan. Oven is ready. And I'll be baking momentarily. So my friends, here is the before. I'm gonna bake these for about 30, let's say 45 minutes. I will gauge them while they're being cooked at baked rather at 350, and I'll be able to come back and share it with you. Speaking of headspace, I mentioned earlier about pre-COVID, what I used to do for a living. There's nothing more satisfying than to watch thousands and thousands of people satisfy a customer. And that was my headspace. Sometimes it's a little bit depressing because the most important thing for me with not having that headspace and adulation is missing the my colleagues and co-worker who I see just about every day after day. 29 years of family. That's golden. So that was my headspace. Anyway, my friends, I'm gonna bake and be happy. Okay, my friends. Golden brown. Baked perfectly. Can't really cut into it. Who say kitchen is not fun? Show me the fool. They don't know what they're missing. Anyway, I'm just gonna let them cool. Gotta get them out of the pan once they're partly cool, and then I'll be digging in. Can't wait to share it with you. Okay, my friends, so this is ready to go. I'm gonna cut into one of them. Let's take a look. Cool enough to cut into without breaking them apart. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay. All right, let's take this one here. So, that's the looks of it. The chow appeal. Taste a piece of that. And of course, before you take a bite, you get the first bite. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfectly sweet, and it's wholesome sweet. I wish it was Taste Division. Great with coffee, or your favorite beverage, whatever it may be, or even just a glass of warm milk. That should do the trick. So, my friends, great texture. The walnut was chopped just right. The carrots and coconut was a bit, and the puree side, but adding the nuts in chunk give it that texture. And so it's made for a very good waka waka coconut, banana, and carrot bread. My friends, until next time, thanks for joining me in the kitchen. It's always a pleasure cooking for you, cooking with you. Until next time, before I go, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, your comment is very important. My light just went out, by the way. I should have charged it. But anyway, my friends, until next time, see Jamaican in the Mood, saying one love. Peace. Love you, my friends.